Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to send money internationally using Zelle. Let's get straight into it. First up, limitations and requirements. You got to check if Zelle is available in the recipient's country. You also need to ensure that the recipient's bank is partnered with Zelle or has a similar service. And of course, you want to check the supported currencies for international transfers. Now let's go to the step-by-step process. What you want to do is to open the Zelle app, or you can access it through your bank's mobile app, and then just tap the send button to initiate a new transaction. Then enter the recipient's name, email address, or phone number. Next, choose the international transfer option, and now you have to enter the transfer amounts, currency, and the recipient's bank information. And once you're done with that, just review the transfer details and confirm the transaction. Now, a couple of additional requirements include the recipient's account information. So prior to the transfer, you got to make sure that you have the correct recipient's account information, including their bank's SWIFT code. You got to check with your bank for transfer fees and exchange rates. Those could change, so you got to take note of that before you go ahead with the transfer. You also want to make sure that you comply with regulatory requirements, such as providing identification and purpose of transfer. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to send money internationally using Zelle. Hope you guys liked the video. If you found it useful enough, if you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.